Alright guys, my name is Tara from Tara Arts and Movie, and today I'm gonna be teaching you how to create a table using 3D Studios Max. And the first thing I want to show you, of course, these tools. Alright, so let's get started. This is a select tool for selecting objects. So if you get an object, you can choose it. Choose here, select it, choose this one or this one, and also this, select by name, box 2, as you can see right here, name is box 2. Alright, it's gonna choose this one, and if you wanna box 1, okay, it's gonna choose this one. Right, so to delete it, just choose it and click delete. As simple as that. Alright, that's the easy part. Alright, what about this and this? We're not gonna talk about it now, but later, as soon as we get there. So, if you have something like a box and you click select and move, you can move it to the X, Y, or Z, which is up and down. And we're gonna delete it again. So, now select and rotate. This is absolutely for rotate an object. So if we get a box and we're gonna rotate it, just click it, and if you want to rotate it in Z-axis, which is left and right, just make sure it becomes yellow on the, Z is blue, as you can see, blue, and make it yellow, then you can like that. Or in X-axis red, see here, red, make it yellow, and blah 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 blah. And also Y. Okay, so I'm gonna delete it again. Oh yeah, by the way, maybe if the first time you open up the 3ds Max, you gonna see this cube, but to me it's kind of annoying. So what you can do to make it disappear is go to perspective, configure, and view cube, and uncheck this, click OK, and it will disappear. And to the down here to the right, you can see orbit is like the cube, but with you can make it turn off just like that, simple as that. And if you want to focusing on the perspective side, maybe you can click this button right here, maximize viewport toggle, and it will maximize the viewport, which one that you choose, left, or yeah, like so. Or you can simply just do this, see. Alright, so we're going to create a box. So in the right tools, we get a create here. Make sure you click create, and you're going to click geometry, and modify. But we're going to create something first. Make sure it's geometry, not shape, not lights, but geometry. And make sure it's standard primitives. It's got a lot of things, but standard primitives. And let's just create a box. So to create a box, just click and drag to create a wonderful shape of the square, and release the mouse button and drag it up, and there you go, is a box. And to show the this little thingy, the segments, and you can see at the right here, you can set the like that, or like that, or like that. And the segments, what are the segments? Well, you can see right here what's the difference. If I do this, see, it's the segments of the shape. Alright, so to show the segments, you can click right on this perspective and make sure edged faces is checked. Right, so if you uncheck it, it will not appear, but still appear in this top, front, and left view. But if you want it to be appear in the perspective view, just right click and edge faces. Alright, so this is a box. So we're gonna choose it, select it, make sure this select object is selected, and select and delete. What the hell is this? Delete. Alright, so sphere. of course, to create a sphere, a ball, or something like that, or maybe an earth. But we are not going to talk about earth today. We're going to talk about table. Right, so that's a sphere, cylinder, to create a cylinder, of course, and torus to create a tire, donuts, or something like that. And you can, again, on the right here, to modify it. Or if you want to modify it, maybe you know, editing, something like that, you move it. And if you are a first timer, maybe you will, oh, where's the a thing that's supposed to be right here. You can go to modify, make sure the object is selected, and this is select and move, which means not just select, not just select, but also you can move it, simple as that. So if you I'm actually more comfortable to using this rather than this, because you can also move. Alright, so to modify it, you click it and go to here, modify, and there you go, get everything right here. Alright, so I'm gonna delete it. And what, torus, okay, we already create that. Teapot, cone, to create a cone or a glass or something like that. No, cone. And geosphere are most like sphere, but it's, you know, it's created by, you know, a little piece of triangle. Instead a sphere here is from, you know, you can see. Alright, so tube, to create a tube, of course, and pyramid, to create, of course, a pyramid, and plane, to create a floor or something like that. Right, so we're gonna get it. Alright.